Need to redeem coupon on Temu? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily redeem it. Start by moving into your application Temu. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to You at the bottom. You will see the option of Coupons and Offers. Head over to it. In this page, you can see Coupons and Free Gifts. Tap on Claim. It will land you on the page where you will be able to receive free coupons. From here, choose any of the specific coupon that you would like to redeem. Tap on Claim My Gift. Once you have claimed the coupon, now what you want to do is go back to your previous page and then enter the coupon code that you have just received. Once you have entered the code, tap on Apply. If the coupon is valid, then you'll receive some amount or any of the gifts from there. After that, you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.